Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hyaluronic acid powder. Measure materials precisely and work in a clean area. Safety and accuracy matter most. I will guide you through choosing HA molecular weight, calculating concentrations, dissolving powder without clumping, and storing the final product. Expect practical tips, common pitfalls, and simple troubleshooting to help you create a stable, usable powder for skincare formulations at home or small batch production. Gather your ingredients and tools before you begin to keep the process efficient and safe. I will explain how to pick the right molecular weight for thickness and feel, and how to calculate target concentration in percent or mg per gram. Learn why using a precision scale and sterile water prevents contamination and variability. This prep step reduces mistakes and helps you achieve consistent, reproducible hyaluronic acid powder every time. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful tutorials. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading formulation notes and PDFs while you work, with a bright screen and long battery life that make lab time more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Start by slowly adding hyaluronic acid powder into your mixing vessel while stirring to prevent lumps. I will walk you through ideal stirring speeds and times, and how dilution affects viscosity and application. Learn to check and adjust pH safely, and when to blend different molecular weights for balanced performance. These practical mixing steps will help you produce a smooth, stable powder solution ready for formulation into serums or creams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.